see. About 1100 degrees. You just want to grab a hold of that. When I put this stuff around the outside of it, that not only starts turning into coke, which is coal that's had impurities baked out of it, but it also provides insulation for that fire, so it's not using so much. For that shape at the bottom of it. I'm trying to clean up some of them hammer marks on the back. Back is, it'll take it a while. And even when that blade is done, I'm not done with this. I've got to go through and I've got to clean up the back. I've got to make sure everything's rounded right. All right.